TAP Air Portugal. A 340 engine bursts into flames as fuel ignites. The aircraft experienced minor difficulties during landing due to the weather. As it speeds down this runway, the KLM Boeing 788-300ER leaves dramatic vapor trails around its engine. The aircraft experienced turbulence while landing on the runway. The Air Baltic aircraft experienced a minor issue during landing. The aircraft made an abrupt landing on the runway. Fortunately, everyone on board was safe. The aircraft landed on a rain-soaked, slippery runway. Fortunately, everything remained safe. The Kia MLA 350-900 of Air City Hopper touches down smoothly on Nuuk's new runway 04. Just moments before landing, the L-39 Albatross jet trainer generates striking air vortices as it approaches the runway. The Red Air Greenland aircraft landed safely in the freezing weather in the United Kingdom. The aircraft experienced slight instability while landing on the runway. The plane's incredible landing